The contents of my petition or the reason for my petition. I'm approaching Chief Justice of Supreme Court with petition for legal bodies approval to kill me legally and provide, and since we have a legal provision for passive euthanasia, and I'm applying a petition for legally killing killing me. I don't know about others to legally kill me with active euthanasia or mercy killing, I cannot survive, I cannot get employed, I cannot be availed or catered constitutional rights or human rights. I don't know if you can give that, I mean, if you can cater that to me. Even if you do, after denying and torturing for all these years, I don't have any kind of trust in the legal system, governance, and the legal approach to win or fight, because everyone who has done this is filled in the legal system and the governing authorities. One of them is Advocate Nachapa, I think number 12, fifth block, KHB Colony, MIG layout, Kormangala, Bangalore 95. Anyways, I am not supposed to fly to host a national flag. I've been instructed and tortured for doing so. Anyways, please stop me from getting there. I cannot live a life without compensation for my efforts. I mean, maybe you call it service, but now I have nothing in life, neither a life insurance and a health insurance. Now I don't have any assets on my name. The mobile that I'm using was bought by my dad, who is retired. The laptop was also is also a second-hand laptop bought my mom. Sorry, dad retired. Now, anyways, we'll come back to the petition. There's no point explaining. Contact as many people as you know to sign the petition, because I cannot take this torture of life and pain of my sufferings due to failure of my life and objectives and goals. My life was also exploited with drugs induced by a person staying and supported by Arjun Reddy, a billionaire at Bellandur, Bangalore 103. Because I don't want an exit. Anyways, I'm not killing myself, but getting approval from the same government and authorities to perform that to me on behalf of me. I mean, when I say on behalf of me, don't kill yourself. Please kill me with some kind of serum. I can give you the details. I can't recall everything. I mean that the people I try to support and help are hitting me in life, and I cannot witness so many deaths and sufferings of people. It's too painful. You need to understand the intensity of my pain every moment I witness the same situation, scenarios people's face, and where this happened. And I don't know what would happen to me. I can't explain what happens to me. And inability to express the pain has built a lot of psychological injuries. And magistrate court and prime minister's office is responsible, maybe including president's office whom I approached, and few advocates and people connected with director of prosecution, ministry of home affairs, and few media channels, especially Suvarna channel, TV9, and public TV who broadcasted me calling I am a Samaja Ghatuka, which means terrorist. So please kill me. I cannot forget this. I am just not able to forget that I was called and broadcasted and showcased as a terrorist. If I want to live life, if I have to extend living life, I'm sorry, existing in this world for some more time, I want my first meeting with all the ministers, especially Prime Minister and President, and who's got mom who loves mom, and who is respecting a country calling Mother India, Bharat Ma. And I want to use the same statement like I said to everyone. Now I was labeled as Samajagatuka, terrorist. I can't be anything in life. I can be anything in life, but not a terrorist. Every morning and night, I look at Mahatma Gandhiji's pic and God speak and national flag, and I can't take it anymore. Of torture from BJP operated news channel Suvarna News and law enforcement, legal harassment from my wife and other authorities. I'm even approaching ex Lieutenant Governor Dr. Kiran Bedi to perform the euthanasia process, that is, to inject the serum before you could kill me because I know she is like my mom. They published and broadcasted on the news channel for reaching out after reaching out Prime Minister's office, President's office, and all the authorities across India, major organization, medias across the globe, an Indian government services and human rights organization operating globally, and even President of United Nations based in New York. You could not rescue me. You could not. You failed to rescue everyone. So, anyways, the rescue point is different. Please execute me with a pistol shot, or I don't know how you would do it. If the goons want to execute me, that should be with a pistol shot. And if the government is okay, and I'll be very happy if you could perform the active euthanasia or approve active euthanasia only in my case, at least in my case. Now, anyways, none of the organizations, none of the authority, people in prominent position could answer me on a dotted line or even acknowledge. I'm very happy that Prime Minister's office acknowledged and closed the ticket without my consent or without even contacting me. I mean, you can find out how many times I've been to ICU trying to kill myself. Now, I don't know if you with someone with common sense will have ability to think in those lines that I failed 15 times, what's the guarantee that I would win or I'll be successful on the 16th attempt? So it doesn't happen, it doesn't work out. Now I don't know who I am. I don't know who I am. You see, I don't want anything that is not mine, including my body given by my parents and soul given by my God. So please hand over my soul to God, and I want to go talk to Him and seek clarity to why as to why He did this to me. I want to say Sule Magne to Prime Minister and ask him what is the meaning for it. Run, please, BJP supporters, hold it. He said Bharat Mata, and even I say Bharat Mata, my mother India. Please help me let the government bodies execute me or kill me legally, and I'm not convinced to kill myself. My death is not a complete death, but still, the magistrate court seems to be instructing authorities to torture me for some more time. I think maybe 10 days. Oh, what a wonderful achievement from the magistrate court. I have mentioned you're very welcome, uh, the magistrate court, uh, because after the torture, I mean, I'll pass the buck to you. You know, I'll gift all the torture and all the experience that you will have to go through, whatever I experienced, because you need to walk that person's life before you could make a judgment. Please take 5 suicide attempts and the reasons for those suicide attempts when it actually happened, and then go through that emotional and psychological trauma yourself. Okay, there are few medicines that I've been taking to control my emotions and feelings and try not to cry, keep crying inside and keep hitting my psychological emotions. You can contact me on my phone number 7026135011, lohitnow@gmail.com, support@lohitnow.com, research at helpinghindustan.live. I want you to execute me legally with legal approvals. I don't want to commit crime. I cannot be a criminal, please. Please don't ask the reason for seeking approval, because you may not be able to understand that language of pain and suffering, because you lived an extortion life, corrupted life, and snatching someone's liberty, rights, independence, life, employment and literacy. So I don't think you understand that language. So please help me, help me, help me by signing this petition to withdraw my existence in this life so that I can come back to you if I'm willing to do it.